Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition and it's from Lookfantastic and it's the home edit. This is a massive box. It's quite heavy. It retails for £35. It's currently on sale for £29.75, but if you use my code DiaryLF, that will give you an extra 6-7% off. If I can find a better code, then I'll pop it down below in the description, as well as links to this box, as well as links to all of the other Lookfantastic limited edition beauty boxes. There's Valentine's beauty box, there's a scent edit, there's an Estee Lauder, there's a mask, there's loads. There is loads. They're bringing them all out for January, so you'll find them all listed down below, as well as discount codes and any giveaways I got running. And then you'll find it all down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look there. This box is kind of given to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. So you get a booklet and it tells you everything about the products inside this box. So I refer to that as we go along if I'm not sure what anything is. So I'll just give you a sneak peek first. Did I say the value? It has a value of £107. I don't think I did I? Starting off, we've got Aromatherapy's Associates London, and this is lotion. Just lotion. 300 mils here. It says on the back here, a tantalising, nourishing hand and body lotion, gentle for all skin types, packed full of shea butter plus vanilla and ylang ylang, pure essential oils to nourish, moisturise and soften skin. Well, let's have a sniff of this then. There, just a little bit, just in case I've got more lotions and potions to smell and try. Oh, it does feel really nice. Oh, it does feel really nice as well. Oh, that's so nice. What did I see? Can't remember. Whoosh! Over my head. Ylang ylang, vanilla and shea butter. And lots of other things as well. But yeah. Oh, I like that. This is worth £22. A nourishing moisturiser that comforts hard-working hands with shea butter, leaving them soft and smooth. In the booklet, you'll see QR codes, so you can scan those to find out more information about the products individually. Next, we've got a spray from Espa. This is a Positivity Atmosphere Mist, and there's 100 mils here. Oh, I love Espa. Gorgeous, gorgeous treat brand. Whether you're at home or travelling, in the office or on the yoga mat, this joyful aromatherapy blend of jasmine, gardenia and rose geranium helps lift the spirits and bring sunshine to the space around you. It says shake well and gently mist your body, the air or liners, breathing deeply to experience the spirit lifting aromatic. Oh, I thought it was just like a room spray, you know, that you spray, but no, the fact that you can spray it on your body and clothes and stuff, that's great. Oh, I love that as well. Oh, it smells so uplifting and fresh, and oh, has it got like citrus, like orange or something in it? No, it doesn't say. Oh, it smells so nice. I love that. This is worth £24 and it just says encourage a tranquil atmosphere with Espa's Positivity Room Spray. Yeah, that is gorgeous. It smells like orange zest. Not strong, but it just, oh, it's so nice. Anyway, we got something from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. This is a hair turban. Helps to reduce frizziness and hair damage. Oh, I had one of these years ago. They are great for people that dye their hair as well, especially if you're going away for the night or on holiday and you dye your hair bright ginger. If you dye your hair, then you may be able to relate. It can take a few washes before the hair dye comes out, so you don't want to be going to a hotel with white towels and ruining them. So I always bring one of these with me. So you put your head in there with your face facing that way, tip your head upside down so your hair falls in there, and then you just twist it like that then. And then you've got a little hook there that you tie on the back. And then you've got the turban. This is worth £9.99. Wet hair, not hair, designed to keep damp locks safely under wraps and the rest of you as dry as possible. Next we've got a dry body brush by Glov. Let's take it out. I love the feeling of these. Look, see? So you put your hand in there. It's supposed to encourage circulation, diminish cellulite. So yeah, feel it stimulating the skin. So it's a dry body brush. It's not harsh at all. but it's enough, you know, to do its magic then. There's me making out that I know everything about it. Nah. I dip in and out of things a lot. I never stick to things long term, unfortunately. I wish I could. If it's out of sight, it's out of mind. I need everything to be on shelves, single file shelves, not like double layers. I need everything so that I can see it. That would be amazing. And then I'd use things more then. I have got one of these somewhere, if I haven't already said. So this is worth £17.90. The Glov brush exfoliates dead skin cells and smooths out better than a luxurious peeling. This her. Next we've got a bottle of Velvet Peony. This is a luxury hand and body wash, and it's by Urban Apothecary London, and there's 100 mils there. Ooh. I love this little opener. What's it smell like? What is it? Velvet Peony. Oh, no, I need to open it further for a good old whiff. Oh, that smells nice. That smells really nice. Oh, that is lovely. I am loving this box so far. This is worth £12. This luxury hand and body wash leaves skin hydrated and subtly scented and leaves you feeling beautifully cleansed. Yeah, that's nice. Nice scent. Then we have got here Sydney Sundays by Glasshouse Fragrances. Where have I had Glasshouse Fragrances? I've had that recently. Maybe in another Lookfantastic beauty box. It does ring a bell. This is this is a candle, and it's neroli. Just reading it. This is the first time I've actually opened the box up properly. So yeah, neroli, which I'm obsessed with, and pink pepper. Oh, okay. Oh, I absolutely love candles, and the fact that it's got neroli in it. Oh, look. Oh, that's so cute. Look. It's not strongly scented, but the scent is really, really lovely. I'll have to burn it in here. This room is quite small. I always burn a candle at night down in the living room. So I find the neon ones are really good because they do fill the room with a scent, but some don't. So it depends on how scented you want your room to be. But no, I think this will be a nice one for this room. It does smell really nice, but it's not overpowering, you know? Yeah, like sometimes you find a candle in a beauty box and you can smell it before you even open it. This candle is worth £10. You will either receive Forever Florence or you'll receive Sydney Sundays, which is what I've got. It doesn't tell me what Forever Florence, the scent that is. 100% soy wax blend features a natural lead-free cotton wick, encouraging a slow and intensely fragrant burn. Yeah, I love that. I love that they put a candle in there. Last up, we've got a facial roller. This is by Brushworks and it's a jade roller. I've already got one of these. I've got a rose quartz one that I use. I started off really, really well, using it every single day for a long, long time. I kept it in a little fridge. And I found when I did my serum in the morning, I would use the roller and just like roll my face, and it was freezing cold and I loved it, especially this little one on the bottom there to go under my eyes to help depuff my eyes. Oh, I loved it. My daughter's got the little fridge in her bedroom now, and again, out of sight, out of mind. I've got to think, no, I've got to get it out because I do enjoy using it. It's really nice to roll over your face, to depuff. Yeah. It's great. I do really like them. I just need to get back into using it, basically. So this is worth £9.99. Calm and cool your skin with a Brushworks Jade Roller that soothes redness and irritation of your skin. So there you go. Those are all the items inside this home edit. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got this gorgeous scented Aromatherapy Associates lotion. It's for hand and body, and there's 300 mils there. We've got Urban Apothecary, Velvet Peony. This is a hand and body wash. Got a Glasshouse Fragrances, Sydney Sundays candle. We've got a Glov Dry Body Brush. Got a Jade Roller by Brushworks. We've got a hair turban from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. And lastly, we've got a Positivity room spray, or room and linen spray by Espa. I love this. The value of the box is around £107. It was available for £35. It's now on sale for £29.75. But if you use my code, which is a permanent code, which can be used off most things off the website, anything from 5% up to like 20-25%, then it changes all the time, but that is a permanent code which you can use anytime. If you use that, Diary LF, or any other codes, if I can find a better one for you, you can have a couple of pound extra off that. I love this box. I really, really like it. When I saw it on the website, I was thinking, oh, that's a nice box, but it didn't blow me away. But actually unboxing it, and this is quite unusual, but actually unboxing it and seeing the products, sniffing the products as well, I think it's gorgeous. I think it would make a beautiful gift for someone, if not for yourself, but for someone else. I do really like it. You've got some really well-known brands in there, and for around £26-27, I do think it's a bargain. I really do like it. But I would love to know your thoughts. We are all different in what we like, what we don't like. What do you think of this one? Did you go out and buy it, or are you watching this thinking, I don't know? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.